In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PhotoRoom to create professional product photos. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to enhance your online store or someone who simply wants to give your photographs a polished touch, mastering this skill can make a significant difference in your presentation. First, let's get started by downloading the PhotoRoom app. It's available on both Android and iOS devices, so head over to your respective app store, search for PhotoRoom, and install it on your device. Once that's done, open the app. You'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface that's designed to make the process as smooth as possible. When you first open the app, you'll notice an option to choose a photo from your gallery or take a new one. For the best outcomes, use a well-lit photograph of your product. Natural lighting is ideal as it provides a soft, even light that doesn't cast harsh shadows. Remember, good lighting is key to making your product stand out. After selecting or capturing your photo, PhotoRoom automatically removes the background, highlighting the main subject, your product. This step is crucial as it helps create that professional look where your product is the sole focus. The app does this remarkably well, but you may need to adjust the selection manually for more precision. Use the eraser and restore tools to refine the edges, ensuring your product appears crisp and clean. Now, let's personalize the background. PhotoRoom provides a selection of preset backgrounds, or you can choose to upload your own. Opt for a background that complements your product without overshadowing it. You might prefer a solid color for a minimalist look, or go for something textured for added visual interest. Adjusting the brightness and contrast of the background can also help your product pop, providing a professional appearance. Next, it's time to add any additional elements. PhotoRoom allows you to incorporate text, logos, or graphics to enhance your product photo. This feature is particularly useful for branding purposes. If you're adding text, play around with the fonts, colors, and placement to ensure it aligns with the overall style and message you want to convey. Before finalizing, take a moment to review the entire image. Consider any last tweaks that might enhance the overall presentation. Perhaps you'd like to slightly adjust the lighting or improve the clarity with the app's editing tools. Once you're satisfied with the composition, it's time to export your finished work. Tap the Export button, choose your desired resolution, and save the image to your device. Now your product photo is ready to be uploaded to your website or shared on social media, showcasing your item in the best possible light. By following these steps, you not only elevate the quality of your product photography, but also improve your brand's visual storytelling. I hope this guide empowers you to confidently create stunning images that capture attention and drive engagement.